In our trader rundown today, Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins us now to kick off the trading week with us, and a big week ahead. Lots of important earnings coming into the market in the United States, and then of course the French election, very much on the minds of traders.
It is.
The next big date is May 7th.
Yep.
So should investors really care about this French election? People are sometimes liking it to a Brexit situation.
Well, and rightly so, and because the unknowing of the outcome at this point, has caused some anxiety in the market. We saw it, in the VIX. We saw it in the activity in the VIX over the last couple of weeks in the volatility space. And you're seeing the market really biding its time as well, trying to determine, what the potential factors could be moving forward once the outcome is known. So, I think that it's for investors. I wouldn't say it's overly significant. For traders, it's very significant. So, I want to make that distinction because we are going to see some gyrations in the market. We have already leading into this point, and next week, I suppose, we're going to continue to see that similar setting. So, you got earnings that's going to influence the market. We've also got news coming out of Washington, D.C. that's been impacting the market. And now the focus will be on the next phase of this French election, and I think that also will be very important to the economic expectations moving forward.
Right, we are hitting the president's first 100 days, so a lot of people are taking a look at the situation.
Exactly.
I want to talk technicals because this is something that I know you pay attention to.
Agreed.
Now, there are some levels that traders are waiting to see we will either get to or will hold.
That's correct.
What would you be concerned about here?
So you're looking at most of the major averages hovering right around their 50-day moving averages, and actually some of them below. When you look at the Dow, below its 50-day moving average, the S&P 500 below its 50-day moving average. Now we have seen the Nasdaq be a pillar of strength and hold well above its 50-day moving average to this point, but you're still seeing, again, the momentum kind of slowing and shifting, and it has technicians concerned. If we see a breach here, particularly when you look at the SPX of 2350, any significant close below there and continuation of this short-term downtrend will put traders on alert that there could be further downside to go.
And that's a reason to watch earnings because you have big names like Goldman Sachs, IBM,
yes,
both did some
week.
Damage to the Dow.
They sure did, and you also saw volatility expectations for those larger names pick up dramatically because of those results, Angie, you pointed out. And this week you got Alphabet or / Google, and you also have Amazon as two of the big names this week, so that could influence the indexes and the breaking through those moving averages as well if we do see some concerns as far as after those earnings come out on Thursday.
A time to hold on, everybody.
Exactly, but but overall, the earnings cycle to this point has been pretty good.
I would say so.
Yeah, it's there are other issues the market's kind of contending with on a short-term basis, and then if we can get through there, we'll see if we can hold these levels and maybe lift off from here.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.